Hello, this is Chris Yost at Bullied RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, 2024. Behind me, newly arrived, is our all-new 2024 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS fifth wheel. We're showing the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think.
So I'll tell you what, we're excited to have this, big time, no question about that. But you know what else we're excited about? There's no snow, and we're in northern Minnesota. We're loving it. Hey guys, spring is coming, no matter where you're at. We're almost there. So, on the other hand, someone's looking for a nice fifth wheel, under 40 feet, 39 feet, 11 inches, that you can go and bring the mother-in-law with, the kids with, put it in the campground, be your cabin. This is it. Beautiful front fiberglass cap, of course. This is a high profile now on this coach. More room in that bedroom. Storage here. We include a brand new deep cycle interstate battery. We fill both the 30-pound propane tanks that are on both sides. That's all included in what we do here at Bullied RV. Family owned for 70 years this year. 2 LED lit power awnings so you don't lose patio space. Can't beat storage all the way through. With a nice fold-up aluminum steps. With a nice fold-away safety rail. 6-point automatic leveling on this unit. Place to hook up a TV outside, just set it on the table. Got the magnets to hold the doors up. Nice outside kitchen. Got the Capital Griddle. 110 apartment size fridge. Full walk-on roof. There's the roof ladder. It's prepped for a Furrion backup camera. Does have a hitch on the back here with a 4-prong plug. Should you pull something behind something this long? Maybe not, but if you want to, you have that option. Look at that. Throw the kids in there. Nice place to store them. Never complain about too much storage. And down the side of the coach, you got 3 more slides on this side. Built-in PVC sewer pipe there for your sewer hose. One of your drains right there. Black tank flushes right there. This of course has the tankless on-demand water heater. That's all propane. 50 amp service, 2 air conditioners. Here's your hookup center for dumb people like me. Tells me exactly what I have to do to make things work. Here's your outside shower. There's your valves right there, so you don't have to reach under here and break your back. Auto leveling right there. Hit the button, walk away. Nice and simple. Let's go take a walk inside. Don't forget, heated and enclosed underbelly. No, you can't use it in the winter unless you're in Florida. So, right there is your 12-volt refrigerator. And because of that bigger 12-volt refrigerator side by side, you have 2 370-watt solar panels on the roof to trickle charge that battery. Keep that going. Solid surface counters. Tons of storage. I love this here. Oh man, I mean seriously. Just like at home, guys. Got the roll-up sink cover. You got the sprayer here in case someone's getting mouthy over there at the dinette. That'll fold down to about a 6-foot bed. Look at the big windows. You're gonna have theater seating right there with the heat and massage. Of course, that's sitting right across from the TV. Fireplace, not just for ambiance and romance. That puts out like 5,000 BTUs of heat. Flat screen TV. There's your JBL stereo hiding in there. Looking back towards the kitchen. You actually have counter space on either side of the oven. So if you take a pan off, you can set it there. You don't have to turn around and put it over here. And this microwave is at a really nice height. You don't have to be super tall and have to reach up and worry about pouring stuff or spilling stuff on yourself. Motion lighting, pantry, priceless. What is it? Look at this. Here's the mother-in-law suite, the teenager suite, plus another bed up here with storage over there. right underneath here. Now this is a 60 by 80 bed, guys, not a short queen. There's your extendable ladder, put on there. And with this slide here, look at all that wardrobe space. Goodness gracious. I think my wife would take this storage as well. Not just up in the main bedroom. She'd take all this. Little sitting area there. More drawers. And even better, stay out of my bathroom. There's your own right there. And they don't get chintzy or try to rob you. They give you another porcelain toilet there. Pocket door to close off this area. Place to hang a TV. And of course, the air is ducted right back to here even with this door closed. Keep it nice and cool. Look at this nice huge, I mean, look how open this is. Tons of living space. Prep area over here, even more storage. You'll never ever complain about too much storage. You might say you don't need it, but you won't complain that you have too much. Built-in router now for Wi-Fi. Comes with it. No carpet on the steps, so if you have a bathroom emergency, you're up these steps, open that door, and you're in here. 2 accesses to the bathroom from the main bed. And with the neo-angle shower here, so higher ceiling height. I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with you, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. More storage here in this wardrobe slide. Another true queen bed. Regular queen sheets. Regular bedding. No special sizes. More storage underneath there. Isn't her nightstands. Storage above. Nice and deep. Second AC. Another hookup for a bedroom TV. Pocket door closes that off. You've got your main door here. Go there. A lot of people have been asking for it. Here it is. 2-bedroom. Whether you're hitting the road with your family and full timing it, or you throw this at the campground for your weekend getaway or your summer cabin. It's here, it's available, and we're really excited to have it. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior. We're about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. This unit's here. It's available. In fact, someone might be calling me right now about it, but we're going to let them wait a second. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. I've been here over 23 years. We take trades. If you're interested, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so anytime a new video pops up, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.